If you don't know that it's already yours, then it's never going to be able to come into the physical plane. Yeah. Now, in my previous video, I spoke about how your desires have to go through the filter of your subconscious mind to manifest into the physical plane everything that you want. And I also mentioned that if you have the I am consciousness, the knowing that you are everything, that you are all, that you already have everything because everything is a part of you. There is no separation between you and the person you want to bring into your life. There is no separation between you and the money that you want to bring into your life. Then the filter, the subconscious belief, just says yes because that's what it knows to be true. Yeah. The doors are wide, wide open. If there is any sense of fear, if there is any sense of being unsafe, then the doors on the subconscious filter, the subconscious mind, remain closed because your default is to remain safe. Yeah, that's the primary objective, the primary goal of the subconscious mind is to keep you safe. So if your desires are not in alignment with what your subconscious knows to be safe, then you're going to manifest nothing at all, or you're going to manifest something and then lose it again because that brings you back to the equilibrium of where you were, back into this area of safety. And the reason that the I am consciousness supersedes all of that is because the subconscious knows that that is who you are, that you are everything that you want. Yeah. It's because you already have everything that you want. If there is no separation between you and what it is that you want, then you're in a state of having. And the mistake that so many people make is that they are in a state of wanting or getting. Yeah. But if you're in a state of wanting or getting, then that essentially is not having, right? It's very, very binary. You either am or you am not, right? You either are or you are not something. You either are rich or you are not rich. Yeah, it's like I say, it's very, very binary. So as you can see, let me try and get the glare off it. Everything that's created in the mental plane by divine law, by universal law, has to manifest into the physical plane. But you can only have in the physical plane if you have in the mental plane, right? And so if you're in a state of wanting, you are not having. If you're in a state of getting or trying, that means that you do not have the thing. Yeah. So this is where your subconscious will say, yeah, no, we haven't got this. It doesn't feel safe to have this. I'm just going to close the doors, right? But if you are in this I am consciousness, if you are one with everything that you want, if you are completely in alignment with the belief that you are source energy, that all the money that you bring into your life is given by a version of you, then you are in the state of having. And it's only that state of having that manifests. Yeah. That's the law of correspondence, like I say. You cannot be thinking, yeah, I am getting it, I am getting it, I am getting it, because that is a state of not having in the mental. Yeah. So just be in this state of, yeah, of course, I know that it's mine. I know that it's mine. It is safe for it to be mine, and it is safe for it to be mine because I know that I already have it. Yeah, if it wasn't safe for me to already have it, then I wouldn't have this idea that it is already mine. But the fact that I have the idea that it is already mine means that it is. Yeah, by virtue of the fact that it feels really good when I think about it, that means that it is already mine. The subconscious block, the subconscious bridge, the subconscious filter has to say yes to that. Yeah. It supersedes all the other programs because it has this fervent belief, you are safe, this is yours, you are one with all things, therefore it has to be yours. There is no choice. Yeah. So this was a really short one. I'm kind of doing a long one and a short one, long one and a short one. I try to keep them about 15, 20 minutes, but I think this is much less than that. But there's not much more to say about it. That's the thing, right? There really isn't. You either are or you are not. You either have the thing that you want in your mind or you do not have it. So what are you picking? It's, like I talk about the law of polarity an awful lot as well. It's which end of the stick are you grabbing hold of? Because what you hold in your mind is what you hold in your hand, as the late, great Bob used to say, Bob Proctor. So what is it that you're choosing? If you are stuck in your business or life, if you are trying to manifest something that hasn't materialized yet, it is because you are in one of these states, one of these states, and not that one. So have it. Close your eyes, imagine it, picture it, just have it. Just know that it is safe. And this is how you teach your body. This is how you teach your nervous system. This is how you reprogram your subconscious mind to be safe with having the thing, right? Once you hold it in your mind, and you have to keep holding it, right? It's not necessarily a one and done thing. You have to be disciplined in constantly choosing the right end of the stick. You have to be disciplined in knowing that you are, I am. Oh, well, nothing actually affects me because I know that it's already mine. Yeah, no, those numbers on that bank account, they're irrelevant to me because I know that it's already mine. Yeah. That subscriber count, I know that the figure that I have in my head, that's already mine. So these are just making their way there. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not going to worry myself with those. Yeah. So where are you focusing your attention? Because that's what it's all about. It's the having. It's the having in the mental so you can have it in the physical. Anything other than a state of having doesn't produce the having state in the physical. Yeah. I hope all of that makes sense to you. Let me know in the comments if it does, and if you want personalized help with this. This is obviously the work that I do with my clients. So if you're ready to really, really up-level your life in all respects, then the link to join me on a call is in the description. Okay, so that video that I was talking about earlier, you're going to find that just there. So you click on that one if you haven't already seen it. And just be in the state of having, and stay in the state of having until you're literally holding it in your hand. I'll see you next time. Bye.